Hello everyone. Today we will learn Subject Max Standard 5th Chapter 2 Shapes and Angle Part 2. In previous video we have learned about shapes, types of shapes. Also we did activity in that video. Today we will learn about a new topic, angle tester. What is the use of angle tester? How we can measure angle with angle tester? How to make angle tester? Here you can see in the picture, it is called divider. You can see here this is a divider picture. With the help of this you can measure angles of any object. Let's see how to make angle tester. Cut two strips from a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin or such that both the strips can move around easily. You can see here picture is also given. Now I will show you a video of angle tester. Here you can see a cardboard sheet. Two cardboard sheets are used and a pin is used. Two strips are there here, two strips of cardboard, and in between that a pin is fixed, and you can move the cardboard and you can measure the angle of any shapes. See in the picture, girl is trying to measure book by angle tester, and you can see the picture here. Girl is trying to measure the book of a book with the angle tester. If the and she made like this angle which looks like L, that is called right angle. So right angle is 90 degree and it's look like L. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. You can find so many things in your class room or in your home also, where you can find right angle. By using it you can find right angle. Okay, now next is practice time question. Here some pictures are given: scissor, a man is showing arm, kites, and remaining pictures you can see in the slides. Now first picture is scissor. Now you can see here scissor, it shows an angle. Now what is given in the table? Angles: right angle, more than angle, right angle, less than a right angle. You have to tick mark. If the angle is right angle, then you have to tick mark in right. If it is more than right angle, then you have to tick mark in this, and if it is less than right angle, then you have to tick mark in the third column. Let's start. First one is given. Second one, a man is showing his arm and the angle is, see, you can see this is, it looks like L, so it is right angle, so we have to tick mark in right angle. Second one, next one, kite. Here also you can see L, so it is also right angle. Third picture, here also you can see it is also L shape, so it is also right angle. Now in last picture, this angle shows more than right angle, more than 90 degree, means you have to take mark in the second one. Okay, next activity, angle with your body. Now You have to make different angle by using your body parts. Here in the given picture you have to find out angles from different body parts. Okay, so first question is that a right angle with your hand. In this picture you have to find where is the right angle by using hands, arms. So you can see here L. So the first answer is this picture. Okay, second one, an angle less than right angle with your legs. Now you have to find angle less than right angle. So and it must be in, you have to find with your legs, means from this picture, in which picture the angle is less than 90 degree or right angle. So you can find in this picture where it is. Yeah, here you can see this angle is less than 90 degree or it is less than L. So this picture is the answer of B. Third, an angle more than right angle with your arms. An angle more than right angle with your arms, more than 90 degree you have to find. Here you can see in this picture more than 90 degree or more than L. It is not looks like L, it is bigger than L. That's why the answer is this picture. Okay, D number, an angle more than a right angle with your body. Now you have to find with body more than right angle. So which is the answer? Let's see. Here you can see this angle, it is more than 90 degree or more than L angle. So it is the answer of D. Another activity is given. You can use you can also find out angles in nature. For example, in birds you can see here woodpecker is there. In the beak of the woodpecker you can find the angles, and the angle is less than 90 degree or less than L angle, we can say L. Next is, you can also find angles in branches of a tree. Here you can see the angles in branches also. This angle. If we talk about this angle is less than right angle, and this angle is greater than right angle. So you can find as many as angles in nature. Now angles in names. In names also we can find so many angles. Let's see how. See here one girl is there who had written one name, Sukhman. In Sukhman 11 right angles are there. Which are the 11 right angle? Let's find out. See, first right angle, second right angle, third right angle and fourth right angle. Same way, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this is 11. So by this way you can also find angles in your name also. So homework for you is that you have to find angles in three different, you have to take three names, and in that three names you have to find the angles, number of angles in that particular name. Now changing shape. Now with the help of matchstick and rubber tube of a cycle you can also make a shape. How? Let's see what things we required. Things required are matchstick and rubber tube of cycle valve. Let's understand the procedure. First point is clean the black end of the matchstick, means the black end of matchstick you have to clean it. Cut the small piece of tube about 1 centimeter long, means you have to cut the rubber tube into small pieces of 1 centimeter. Push 2 matchstick into each end, means you have to push On both sides, in one rubber tube, you have to put 2 matchstick. And then fourth point, and more matchstick to form a triangle. By this way, you can make different shape: triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, as many as shapes by using matchstick and rubber tubes. Now here one table is given. According to table we have to answer. Before we answer, let's read a paragraph. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Means you have to push on particular shapes. Does the angle change when pushed down by the finger? Means we have to observe that when we push the shape from any of the side, does it change its shapes? If it is changed, we have to write yes. If it is not changing, then we have to write no. So let's take first shape. First shape is hexagon. If we press from any of the side, it changes its shapes. So answer is yes. In second number, if we press from the top of the pentagon shape, it does not change its shape. So answer is no. Same way in third number, if we press from tip of any of the end, then also the shape does not shape changes. Here shape changes. Here square is there, then it will become parallelogram. Fourth number, if we press triangle, the triangle does not change its shape. So answer is no. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.